Good morning. Oh, we're getting close. Right, where did I leave it yesterday? Local build. Yesterday was predominantly spent on the subscription links. I've still got one to add on this page, but on the actual blog articles, there's now an RSS subscribe button, which doesn't do anything, which we'll come back to. We have a dedicated tweet button, which is up here. We have a generic share button with a toast component that says it's been copied to the clipboard. And it looks like that. We added the share at the bottom as well. And on YouTube, we've got a YouTube subscription, which takes us here. Dedicated tweet, dedicated share. Same at the bottom. Although that actually looks... Oh, that looked larger. No, it's the same. Cool. Alright, so today I'm going to work on actually hooking up an RSS feed to this button, and I'm going to add some page metadata to increase the SEO. So we'll start with the RSS feed. I'm going to go straight to ChatGPT and see what it says. Let's see what it recommends. RSS parser. Add. TypeScript. It's also good. Cool, seems like there's a bunch of stuff here. Then you can use parse string to generate. RSS. That looks promising. Sad. Who published it? Yeah, nah. Popularity. Let's see, is there an actively maintained one? I suppose that's going to have all the newest ones. Does that just appear at the top because it's an exact match? Yeah, there we go. It's crazy. Okay, 20 million. Parsing RSS feeds, parse feed. That's not actually what I need. I need to generate an RSS feed. Let's try this first. Let's see how we get on. Oh wait, is that RSS parser? Okay, so it's this one. So we'll try this first. Nothing major in the issues. Let's see what people are requesting. Media. And then finally, we'll just have a quick Google. As well. That's handy. Package. RSS generator for Node.js feed. Let that appear. There we go. Okay. 200,000. I'll take that. Okay. Generate RSS feed function. Generate the feed. Articles is passed in as a function argument, and then for each of them, generate, I'm guessing, XML data. Nice. First, they updated the get static prompts to call it. That makes sense. Nice. That seems pretty straightforward. Okay, let's try feed. Let's see. Getting started. Ready, strongly typed. That's always a win. Tested. Feed.rss 2.0. I think that's what I want. Right, spin up. And then let's grab this example code. New RSS file. Just paste this in. Can't find name post. Good docs to get started with. I think the article's actually better. You're generating them and then you're passing get all articles. Articles.sort. So get all articles. Articles.sort. Page post. All right. Content, file name. And then add this. I'm just going to grab this instead. It actually looks a bit more concise. So we'll export this as a function. FS for this. This is going to be site. URL. Author. Personal name. Ooh. Do I have my email? Util data. Shows occupation. Add an email into personal, so that should now be available here. Nice. Why don't we go to maybe not personal. How about site.url. Grab feed from feed. Okay. Language en, got the author object here. description. Alright, what are we missing here? Copyright is missing. Contributor. Grab all of this. This can just be author, because we have the author object up here. We want RSS. I always do that. I always fucking hit copy for a second time instead of paste. There we go. Okay, so we've got a bunch of stuff from example.com. The ID. It'd be good if it described what each of these fields do. Just you leave them as is for now. So, articles for each. So for each post. For Notion, I have get posts, which returns an object of personal and professional posts. Let's start. So get posts is going to get everything for me, which is an array of blog posts. So why don't we say this should be an array of blog posts. Item. Page title is that what I'm using for this. let's look at the actual, let's look at the blog post page. This is probably going to be quite handy. No, worth a shot. Don't need that. That. Why do you not want to find that type? Am I not exporting it? That's fine. Not to worry. So we know the title. This will be front matter. This description is an interesting one because I thought about adding like an abstract. Maybe let's get the feed going and then let's just use the emoji for just now. Post.content. This is going to be the difficult part. Content, file name, and this is coming through the post. Let's look at the example project. That's an XML file. Let's see what we have here. I don't think I need that. I'm really not enjoying the lack of documentation on this. What was this one like again? So I've got TypeScript. I'm gonna come back to this because I'm not in the mood to do this just now. And I can't find something. I can't find a package that I'm happy with at the moment. And my brain hasn't fully woken up. So let's come back to that. How about, alright. Do people still use React Helmet? Let's add metadata to the page. Still seems pretty popular. While that's ticking over, I'm just going to look up the Next.js docs. To customize what goes inside the head of each page. Okay, so this is built in, so I probably don't need React Helmet. Okay, so we'll start with the blog page. Let's just remove these and use the imports. Tidy up as we go. Here we have the blog post. So I'm going to return a fragment. Here, we'll add head from next head. Then we'll add a title. And the title will be front matter. Not title. So go here. See this title. Oh, you can't. Because the tabs are hidden, that's probably not great. Let's go in here. You can see the title's been added to this. It's quite good. Can I use... I wonder if I could use the emoji as a favicon. Shouldn't need to do this. Because I'm already doing that. I've already made the fetches. Okay. One thing I'm going to do is go into Notion. Back into table view. Going to add a field here called abstract. To my professional one as well. Let's grab this. Let's jump back, and I'm just going to add a dummy value. I actually don't need all of that. Let's just grab that. Personal. Cool. So we've added a new abstract column here in the Notion blog. And then I'm going to come over to the code. Then I'm going to get a description here, which will be page data dot properties dot see. We're getting page data, which returns a page, which is a blog post, and our blog post would have abstract. Don't know what's going to come back on the response there, but we'll find out. I'm guessing it's going to follow the same as type text. That's type title. Do I have anything else that's type text? The slug. Really? Okay. Yeah, page data. There's the slug. So it's probably going to follow a similar vein to this. So if I actually look at my types, it's probably going to follow this. There's probably a better way of doing this, but we'll just add this. We'll just call this abstract. It should now give us access to this property here. Instead of slug, we're going to want abstract. Front matter type should also have this. And I'm just going to do a fresh build, because then that will make an API call to Notion, and it will grab the new column here. So we should see our markdown post update here. Oh, first we should write valid code. I thought I would have seen the pages there. Since I've added a new column. Actually, to be fair, the page wouldn't update. The actual page doesn't update. Because this abstract doesn't exist inside the page. Should be good. Let's see what happens. We had front matter, description. Let's see what meta tags we have available. Do we have here? Contribute. Let's see. It's been ages since I've done this. Am I gonna get autocomplete on this? Yes. Let's grab the keywords. Meta keywords MDN. I'm guessing this is a comma delineated string. Standard metadata names. Author, there we go, description. Generator. Keywords. Well, should probably add the author. Keywords is interesting. Probably gonna have to create. We have tags here, which is a multi-select, which is an array of tags. So I'm guessing. Let's see. Does MDN have the keywords in their meta? In color. Port. This is all the social sharing stuff, which I'm going to need to add in. Description. Canonical link. Styles. No keywords. That's annoying. How do it's just going to be a string with like commas, right? Yeah. Okay, so in that case, we'll create keywords. The keywords will be front matter dot tags dot to select. Where am I using the tags? Here we go. Post tags takes from matter dot tags. Tag dot name is what I'm looking for. So the first thing I'm going to do is map, and for each tag, let's just return tag dot name, and then let's concat that. Excuse me, the comma. Let's just see what we have here. It has a self-closing tag. Oop. Ah, I need to put content. My bad. Concat's not what I was looking for. No. No, I went the other way. Joy. There we go. Nice. So if we inspect this now, we should now have a title, our dummy description, which has been pulled in from the blog. We have an author, and we have keywords, which matches our tags here, which is quite handy. Cool. What else have we got? We'll do these after. I don't think I have the robots or anything in here, do I? It's a robot. If I'm doing that, I probably want to add that to every page. And I can do that on the document. So we've got this for our stitches, style sheets. And let's add meta robots here to allow our website to be indexed. And content is going to be index and follow. Description. Guessing the car set is going to be UTF-8. Does that add that to my site? Yes, it does. Yeah, I thought it might. Okay, so we have robots, we have stitches, style sheets been added, and then we have the description, the author, some keywords, and the title. Can you use an emoji as a favicon? Yeah, I'm going to need to generate it, which I don't want to do. I thought I could maybe just pass it in as a meta tag. In which case, I'm going to the blog ID, title, so this. What other tags do we have? Application name. What should the meta name generator? What should the content value be for this tag in the next VS application? Do I just say Next.js? Yeah. And I think we can add that in the document. Set that. So we'll do meta name generator. Next.js. We've got keywords. Referrer. Controls the referrer. controls the referrer header of requests sent from the document. Element. This web page will include the origin of the page and the referrer header when navigating to other pages. Is there any downside to that? I am intrigued. I don't know what other people have done. Oh, that doesn't look good. That's fine. See what Kent's up to. You got. Okay, so there's an image. So let's add this specifically to the blog post. That's the actual file. Is the... Oh no, it's not, because they're external URLs. So yeah, that's fine. However, I think I'm going to use microcards for this. We can come back to that though. There's the OG stuff, there's the Twitter stuff. One thing I need to add in is a canonical link. I actually already have that for my professional blogs. Because I publish on LogRocket, then I list this as the canonical link. I should already have access to this. This is a link to... Is anything else a link? Nope. Canonical will be just an empty string for the moment. This will actually be an optional property. Intrigued what comes back here. And I'm going to need to go to get page data for this, I think. Log post, which will return canonical, which will be any at the moment until we find out exactly what it does. Canonical, we have an ID, a type, not URL. So we only need the URL. Let's just grab this. So types, here we go. Ultimately, these aren't required because I should be able to get the type from Notion. But this will do for now. So these are all just strings. There we go. So we've got the actual link here. So canonical will be this, or it will be description, cover, date. Oh, don't have the slug in here either. For here, the only one. Just gonna get rid of this. The only one I need to provide a canonical URL for is that's soul destroying. Is LogRocket. They've asked if I could do that. They were quite happy for me to publish articles that I've written for them as long as I list them as canonical. So that's fine. Maybe one that is an optional property. So what I basically want to do here is, if it exists, use this. Otherwise, use the site URL. Const. So this is the slug. Just use that as a fallback here. So if it exists, use that. Otherwise, use this. This is page data. So we refresh this. Oh, we're not actually adding it in yet, so it's not going to do anything. So get title. Canonical loop. Add an href. Where are we at? Link preload, link canonical, which is the actual app slash. Oh, I need let's forget to do that. Keywords. There we go. Website slash blog slash state. If I go to LogRocket article, this one. Got the LogRocket one here. Good. All right. So we've got canonical. Now we need it's a text. Excuse me. Let's just create Twitter. Twitter image. Description. Title. Site. Code. Okay, so I know the title. That's our title. And the description. That. Right, so we've got the image, the description, and the title. The site is going to be okay. Name Twitter card, Twitter title, which I have, description, image. So Twitter site should be a username. So this social.twitter.handle. Twitter card. It's going to be a summary. The @username of website, same as Twitter site, but the user's Twitter ID. What using Kent? Yes, he does. Also added a creator there. Username of content creator. Yeah, let's add that. Do I add that to everything? I suppose only really, yeah, let's just add it on blog pages. Yeah, that seems fine. Okay. Oh, not mean to do that. Now I need the OG tags. I think OG type here. Oh, that's annoying. Yeah. I think this is an article. Add it. Interesting. OG meta tags. Title, OG type. Where's type? Basic metadata, the type of your object. Are you going to show me? I want this. What does website give? I saw that further up. Basic metadata. Definitely saw website somewhere. Website. How do I? Okay. Ah, nice. Let's have a look at this. Type is an article. Excuse me. Each URL should be a single object, so multiple types are not possible. But then, yeah, I'm just going to put article. Don't think I need this anymore. Basic metadata. This is the best practices. Here's an example, right? So, URL. It's going to be a full URL. Share URL is a site URL router as path. Is that right? Oh. Flash blog, oh, it is. Nice. Cool. In which case, the show URL. I don't think we need this anymore. Okay, OG type is an article. We have title, description, image. Basic tags, URL, title, description, image, and a Facebook app ID. I don't have that. We have the type and the locale. I think that's going to be easier just to keep it E and US. Yeah, that's what I figured. Cool. I'm gonna grab this. Actually, yeah, that's fine. That's fine. All right, that should be good for them. Where's my document? So I've got robots. Should add I'm guessing if I add the same meta tag, it will be overwritten rather than creating duplicate tags. So in an article, if I create robots and I made this no follow, this should only have one tag that says robots no follow. There's the follow tag. No, it doesn't. It adds them both. Yeah. It's interesting. One thing I could do is I could pass the entire front matter through here. And because I'm putting on the layout, then I could add default tags to this layout, and then blog specific tags to this layout. I think I'll do that. I'm gonna take a bathroom break first. Back in 5. All right, I'm back. So we're going to refactor our layout. Instead of passing the hero, pass front matter. And this will be front matter.hero. Okay, so let's just save that. This will break because it's not actually been passed. But then we're going to go down here. We're going to pass the front. Okay, that's expected. Now that we're passing that through. Oh. I thought that would have fixed it. It's fine. Okay, so we're now passing front matter through. So I'm going to grab this. Get rid of that fragment. To the layout page. And on the blog layout page is where I'm going to add the head tags. So I'll add that from Next.js.head. Just get these globals in. So we need the share URL and we need the keywords as well. We're using the share URL in here. So we'll just say front matter URL and actually, yeah, because we use that for the subscribe buttons, I think. Yeah, we did. Okay, so we need this share URL, so we'll just pass that through into the layout component. So we'll take front matter URL and children. Grab the keywords. Yep. And then the URL just be this. It's not a hero, I think it's from matter.cover. There we go. So we've got the same thing here, where we have our metadata tags. Now we can add metadata tags to the general layout. So let's grab this. Return a fragment again. Title. So the only tags I want to add here, ones that are going to be different from the ones here. Whereas for this, I think that can live in the document. Yeah, I've already. Oh, I added that to test. Yeah. So let's add a keyword. Keywords. Which of them? Keywords will be keywords. The author will still be me. Description. Okay, let's prefix this with meta keywords. Meta image. Just want style public images. I have this. Maybe I just use that. Yeah, maybe just use banner. In which case, const meta image would be the site URL / public / banner public images. For whatever reason, that's a PNG. We'll change that later. No, of interest. Oh my god. If I log that and then go to the home page, okay, URL isn't. Yeah, this isn't in a good state at the moment. Meta image is this URL. Maybe I don't need the public. There we go. Cool. So I've got the meta image. Appear to have lost Spotify. Yep. So we've got name, keywords, image. So we should probably have a title. Personal.name. Personal. This can just be site URL. Actually, layout. Is the page's blog ID? Let's grab this. Get rid of that. I think for the meta description, have personal profile one. Wonder if I could do it. Wonder if that'll work. Do personal profile type. That is not defined, that's fine. Just have a meta description here. Title here. It's a title. Your meta title. Description. Do I have a meta URL? The meta URL. This will be website rather than article. And this will be the meta title. So let's have a look what we got on the homepage. So my descriptions come in. We've got the creator, title, Twitter cards, a summary. We've got the locale, it's a website. We've got the URL. So let's look. We need to update the keywords. What am I missing here? Article, the URL. No, that seems fine. Cool. We can get rid of that. They're just gonna grab this. For no particular reason, just see ya. Cool. So now we have blog specific front matter and generic stuff as well. And then on the document, we can just have this stuff that will be consistent between the two. I don't think I need a manifest. I'm certainly not at the stage where that's all that's left to add. I need to add some keywords. Yeah, let's do that. Let's use the meta URL. Shift that up. Okay, keywords. Actually going to do personal keywords here, just in case I need to use it elsewhere. Go to the util. Where's my data? I've got personal keywords. And software developer. React, I suppose. JavaScript. TypeScript. Yeah. Let's keep and software developer. So I'll add here. Log. LiveStream. Perfect. So it's plenty. And then the only thing that we'll need to do is we'll need to go back to the layout, and this won't work now because we're going to need to do this. We don't need the map. Description. Third description. Here's my keywords. Keywords, front end, software developer, React block. Yeah. And that's just going to look a little bit better if I sentence case them. So yeah, this is all sentence case, so it probably makes sense to do it for my stuff too. And then we're going to close all that because we've got a bunch of stuff open. And let's just have another look through. So we've got a generator. So this is interesting. The color scheme can either be light or dark. So I'm going to need to add that to each of the layouts. So here, say I was to add it on the general layout first, right? So say meta name equals color scheme. Content for this. Now I have a use theme hook. Can't remember what theme gives me. Let's just add a debugger. I'm not enjoying that, so we'll just get rid of that. Here's our debugger, and our theme is undefined. And that is because I don't actually know why that is. Theme is undefined. Ah, it's originally undefined. It's annoying. I'm going to need to default a theme so that something's always there. It's going to give me a local scope. Yeah, here we go. Theme name is what I want here. Actually don't need that. I can just do the color scheme is going to be the theme name. But that is a bug that I'm going to need to fix at some point, because you see it always flashes white first, even though my default settings, my system preferences are dark. There are ways to fix it. It's just pretty low on my priority list at the moment. All right, let's look here. Meta. Color scheme content dark. Don't need this anymore. The theme color. Have a look at the use theme hook. So we use context and get the theme context, and then the actual theme is going to be this. And what if I do? So we're grabbing light theme. Interestingly, I wonder if I have access to this. Let's say background. So light theme, I'm going to say, actually, let's just say, I don't want to mess with them. So just because I can't be arsed fixing the bugs just now. I'm going to do that later. Not front end. What are you talking about, man? Foreground is going to be black. What did I say? 01. And then the background will be P. On the dark theme, this will be the other way around. I might need to rebuild for that to be available, but then in the use theme hook, on its theme color equals theme dot colors background. And I'm going to return the theme color here, which means on my layout I should also have access to the theme color now. Love TypeScript. And then color scheme. Meta name, theme color, content equals theme color. Okay. Type token is not assignable to type string. What do you give me? Cannot read properties of undefined. So what if we do? Does it exist? It's an object. Theme color dot value. What if I actually just returned dot background value? Then I was going to do a fallback there, but that's a plaster fix. I had bigger problems than that. I should now get the appropriate theme color, and then if I swap to light, it should now show that. Should now be able to use this. If I check now, I should have somewhere the theme color 010101 and the content is dark. And then if I flip over to light, this flips to FE and FE and light. It's good times. All right, what else we got? Document is unaware of color schemes and should be rendered using the default color palette. Oh. Sorry. Color. Don't think I need a referrer policy on a personal web page. Application name. The name of the application running in the web page. Browsers may use to identify the application. Document name, status. Simple web pages shouldn't define an application. Thank you. Okay, I think I'm done with metadata. That's plenty. There's plenty. So one thing I'm going to do now is I'm just going to check this. We added foreground, background to theme. We added personal keywords. They will be replaced later, but for now we can do that. And theme color from use theme. Metadata to pages. Good times. The reason I did that, let's just close everything here. The reason I did that is because I want to do a build, then I actually want to deploy it. And once I've deployed it, then I can use the Facebook and Twitter scraper to see how it's actually going to render each of those pages. Render the previews, not the pages. So that built. So we'll just push it up. AJAMES.DEV. Now, why is that working? Why does that know to be white now? Where is that white applied? Background's applied here, which didn't fix my problem. I did it here because I thought on iOS, when you pull it down to refresh, you could still see a white bar above it. Where is that being applied? I is confused. So I'm going to remove. Are these meta tags influencing this? This is the regular layout, so that's not what I want. Yeah, I'm on YouTube, so. It is. Fuck. Okay, that's. Is that good? I don't know. What's that in for now? Certainly makes my page look a lot better, so. And then if I flip this. Yeah, that's cool. So this is flipped. It's actually coming together nicely. That's the good times. Love it when it does that. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly tidy this up. How bad does this look? I mean, does it all look fine? Let's have a look and see. Avatar fallback, black, white, that's fine. On the button, it's using Hera, it's fine. I'm gonna ignore the alphas for just now. Oh, that knows. There's our layout. So we're saying all secondary links. So when it's on dark, it's grey 11, or it's white here. This is dark. If I get rid of this, does that just go black? Yeah, it does. Cool. Let's leave them for just now. I just want to fix everything that's broken. Yeah, that looks horrible, but it's not broken. This is probably a terrible idea, but I just want to try this. If there's no theme, return null. So if it was dark, we still get that flash, right? It's cache now. There's no theme. Storage theme exists. Set the theme as the storage theme. There's no theme. There's no storage theme. Get the system theme and set the theme. Actually going to put that back onto the body because that didn't fix my previous. Event light theme flash. There's gotta be a better way. The thing we're going to need to do is go into the global styles, pages, styles, global. Here. The body. The body. One thing I want to check actually is on my actual site. In fact, I'm just going to check this works on my phone because I'm not going to be able to do it here. No, it is. Well, it's okay. So it's white above and black below. So how am I doing that? It's the root. Yeah, see, I've added the background image to the HTML there. It's weird that works though. Or I think that's how I did it. I think I added a massive background image. That's a bit hacky. Does look good though. Is this gonna work? Yeah. No. Yeah, maybe. So if I pull down, you can see that white bar, which is annoying, which is what I'm trying to solve. But if I pull up, see if it's all black, just holds the color. However, because I've set the theme color, that's actually pretty good. Because I've set the theme color now, and this is deployed, if I scroll down, now it's dark, above and below. Yeah, I'm happy with that, that's fine. A hack to prevent light flash from page load. And I'm just going to deploy that and see what happens. All right, well, that's doing that. Can we go back and look at the RSS stuff? All that's really left is styling. Oh, actually, one thing I'm going to do is data finesse. That's one thing I can add. Styles. Where's util? Nice. Date. I'm going to export const format date as a function. This is going to take a date, which will be a date object, and it's going to const formatted date. Date. Formatted date. Really simple function, except this is going to use. Oh, this is going to return the formatted date. So yarn add datefns. Then yarn dev. Docs. Format date. Returns the formatted date string in the given format. The result may vary by locale. Format tokens differ from moment, that's fine. Formatting units in the default ENUS locale. Okay. Format date. Let's do format long date. Format full date. Short date. Let's do long and short. We're going to use format. Interesting. I imagine this is going to be similar. No. I hate when that happens. Because I lose all my context. Okay. Fair enough. Looks like I'm on my own. Import format from datefns. Slash format? Is that that limited? No, it is. Okay. So, format date. And then let's look at the docs. Month standalone. I think I want the full. So I want month, 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 month. And then do I just do comma separated? Do LLL. Use it. Oh, here it is here. Format date options is an object. Date format the string of tokens. The formatted date string. Example, new date, month, 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 year. I'm actually going to grab this. Don't think I need any objects here. This is going to be month, 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 day, to the index. Pages index, and then we're going to do long date, goes format, long date. Did I really spell it as format? Format the date. Debugger. Okay, January 8th. So that's fine, except we'll do it the proper way. Day, that's month. So cool. All this format instead of format, and this I'm guessing will return a string. Now we're just going to need to find dates. Publish date. The blog card is expecting a publish date, and that's expecting a string. So instead of formatting here, is there somewhere further up we can do it? So let's look at the blog ID page. Here we're generating the date. I think we should just format it here. What if we just did format? Oh, no, not format. Let's start with format long date. Is that correct? Yeah, it is. Do that debugger. And let's go to the blog page. Blog page. What's the day? Quarter. The hell's day? Local week. Day of the week. Day of. Where's day of month? Well, day of week. Oh, I think is what I want. No. Calendar year era. Month. Day of the month. Dio. June 2nd, the year of our Lord. Should we put the era in? Calendar year. Where's year? Extended year. Yeah. There's no other real way of doing it. It just kind of looks weird when it's uppercase like that, but meh. That's fine. So I kind of want the long one there, and I just want the short one here. So let's go to the log index. And that will be passing a date to the card. So that's mapping over the posts. So I think I'm actually going to do this. I'm going to format inside the card here. I'm going to go into the publish date, which is in here. Formatted date, which I'd already kind of set up. It's going to be format short date. Create a new date object, and we'll pass the date into that. Date, I want to be optional here. Oh, actually, this is a blog card. Yeah, wait. Card. Log card takes a published date. Video card. Video card props. I'm going to make that optional. And the reason I'm going to make it optional is because on the streaming page, the liked... fuck. That's what's next. Okay. Let's talk out loud instead of just mumbling. The reason I'm making it optional is because on this liked videos playlist, I don't want to display the date here. One other thing I'm going to quickly fix here is on the latest video, because I've got more space here, I'm going to do the long date. So where's the latest video? Playlist ID. Oh, I'm in streaming. Display name. Title. This is all metadata. Video preview. I need to rename that to latest video, I think. Let's watch video. Title, publish that. So the video preview is coming through as a prop. This is coming into the format playlist video. So there's a good spot to This is a good spot to format the date. Publish that. Create a new date object, and we'll stick the publish that date in here, and publish that. Return formatted. Actually, let's just keep the naming consistent here. So hopefully, if I've done that right. Pardon? Utils date. Invalid time value. Published at. This is an invalid time value. Okay, so then let's look at the let's look at the API call. So look at Notion. It's given us page data, post data, process content. I don't think we want post data. Post data is the markdown, yeah. Page data is going to be each of these. Interesting. Oh, publish that. Oh, it's coming from YouTube. Idiot. Playlist videos. Get playlists is returning all of this. So that's returning this. It's interesting it can't format this. New date object. That is a string. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. I knew that was fine. So, how have I fucked this up? I'm just going to restart the build. That's good. Turn it off and back on again, and we'll see where we're at. Publish that. It seems to format okay. But when I was on the streaming pages, streaming, on the format playlist video function, I'm grabbing this publish that date, format long date, new date, publish that. Not enjoying that. Is it because I'm formatting it here? In fact, no, because it's not going into a card. This one should be fine. We publish that, it's working there. I think the problem is this playlist video is being called on something else. So it's probably being called on this. And then it's trying to call format date with this value. Would be my guess. I'm just going to see if this is actually broken. Yeah, it is, and that's why. Because I'm trying to format somewhere else. This function is called, which is calling format short date with the result of this formatted publish stat. Okay. So this can just remain as publish stat, which is kind of annoying because it's called format playlist video. You would imagine it would format it as you would like it. One way of fixing that would be on the video card here. Image description, the publish date here is being passed in. How have I fucked this up so bad? Let's just make that. Let's just remember. Oh, no, definitely don't remember that change. So we've got front matter. The publish date here. This is the one that's broken. I'm just going to pass date in here and then this should work. Yeah, there we go. But then it does this, and that's the problem. What's this publish date component? That's fine. So the question is, do I want this? Or do I want this? I appear to have lost my description. I think for the playlist video, I'm just going to format short dates, and then I'm going to pass in new. Do I need to pass new date? What's that? I've somehow lost my description there, but I'm sure we'll fix that. Yeah, I prefer that. And then let's actually just go to the card page here a second, and let's just fix this while we're here. On streaming, just grab this. I'm gonna go to my card component, video card. Got a title here, and I'm gonna add a CSS object. Clamp it at 3. What was hidden? It's weird that didn't work. Is that because I have this balancer? Yeah, there we go. What's my description there? That's weird. And the last thing I want to do here is make sure those dates go to the bottom. Here we have a video card, the direction is vertical. This is the card children. Here's the publish date. Yeah, this has margin top auto, but it's not doing anything. That's because this isn't growing to the available size. I just change that to 10. Thinking about I make that flex grow. There we go. Love a one-line fix. That's down to 3 lines total now. That truncates that nicely. Yeah, that's just a bit more consistent, isn't it? The subscribe link, I'm just going to quickly fix this. Link, styled YouTube subscription. There we go. Streaming. What happened to my description? It's because it's grabbed my latest video. Oh, does that? No, I'm still live. That's cool. It's because there is no description. It's getting close. It's getting close. All right. Is there any more? Are there any more dates? So we're on here. There's no dates here. We'll go into the blog. We have dates here, which is in short form. If we go into a blog, then we've got a long form date. Would you do day, month, year? Would you do a year? Month, day, right? Let's have a look. Date util, turn. Something's not working here because I'm saying give me this back and you're giving me this back. So something's fucky. This is the blog card. Which is a publish date for blogs. So on the streaming page, Sorry. YouTube helper for format playlist video. I've created a format published at. I need to do the same for my posts. Do I have a format post? Sort, format reading time, format count, format date. There we go. Shouldn't need a function for this. What's calling? Nothing is calling this. That's cool. There's card, blog card, publish date. Which calls the publish date component. This can be here. It's formatted date equals format the short date, and then let's pass the date in here. And this should flip if that's been correct. What? Oh, should probably use the formatted date. The date time here. Okay. Need to be careful. So the date. I'll just pass new date. This to date. The object. Let's do it here. There we go. So now it's flipped. And then if I inspect this, then this is a date time with the correct time. We go to streaming. Yeah, this is freaking out. So the formatted date streaming is now no longer working. Why is that? So here we have the card. Publish date is being passed. Because I'm using publish date in both. So on the helper, the YouTube helper, I just want to pass publish that. It's being formatted correctly. Get rid of that. Just commit that. Card, we add overflow to video card description. That. Some formatting functions. Nice. Stop that up. Okay, what are we at? We get 15 minutes left. One thing I want to do is this liked videos. I'm probably going to need ChatGPT for this, but let's see if it's working. New chat. You're having fun, are you? Let's try you again. Why is everybody using the tool that I need? I wonder. Can I expand this? No. What does this say? Promise number. It's fine, that was much earlier. Depends. Is this what I want? So that's the banner image. It's not what I need. Multi-line truncation. Line style. This was all the banner stuff. Was it yesterday? Okay, so that's today. That's asking all the meta values. It's targeting HTML. It's asking server-side rendering, debounce and throttling. It's just content generation. I definitely asked. Here we go. Can you retrieve your liked videos? This is what I want. I'm actually just going to take a quick bathroom break and then I'll be back for the final section. Right, let's see if we can get this before we finish. Should probably bring this back. There we go. It is possible to retrieve a list of a user's liked videos from the YouTube Data API. So, authorize. Oh, wow. Nice. Playlist ID, which for liked videos is LL. So, at the moment, what I have to do, it's quite annoying. I also lost all my liked videos, which I'm not sure how that happened. If I go to playlists, this is now down to 28 videos, which I'm not sure why that's the case. That dog, man. Hello, Turkey. Yeah, sorry. Liked videos. So for some reason I've lost my liked videos. I wonder if it's because I created a playlist also called liked videos. So what I want is this. So anytime I go into a video and I click the like button, this playlist auto-populates. The problem is this is a private playlist. And so it doesn't show when I make the call to get my playlists. And that's why I asked ChatGPT, is this possible? And it's saying apparently if you do this. So hopefully it is. I have a backup, which is manual. This is the one I want. So we'll see. Hello. You want up? There you go. Say hi. Right. Need to stay out of the way though. That is not staying out of the way. Get latest video. Let's create a new function called get liked videos. It's going to be YouTube dot playlists dot list. So let's go to the YouTube Data API. And try this method. The part for this will be, let's try snippet. The channel ID for this. The max results I'm not bothered about. This is getting all playlists, which is not what I want. I want to get an individual playlist. All playlists for a channel and list my playlists. It uses the mine request parameter. So what if I remove this and I say that is true? Kiwi, hey, stop. Okay, so that seems to have given me something back here. So I've said, give me my playlists. This is the example one, right? This is the one I don't want. Then we have AJAMES.DEV. And then we have epicreact.dev. So again, that's just getting public playlists back. That's not giving me what I need. Annoyingly, you can do it with search, but search is super expensive. Playlist items? Maybe I just need playlist items. Let's do list. Let's do part snippet. Playlist ID. Yeah, there's no mine here. What's ID? I wonder if this is playlist. No, there's playlist ID there. What is ID in this context? Playlist item IDs. One or more playlist item IDs. Every request to retrieve playlist items must specify a value for either the ID or the playlist. I don't think this is going to work, but if I do the playlist ID as LL and then I authenticate as me. Oh my god, it worked. I think it worked. Playlist item. Yeah, it did. Oh, that's amazing. Right. Get liked videos is playlist items. To export const YouTube liked videos list ID. That already existed. Okay, this is going to need a little bit of a refactor, so that's okay. Get liked videos is going to be YouTube liked videos ID and max results 12. Latest video playlists videos. Video response. Why do I need videos? Ah, that's yeah, I remember. Okay, I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna go to manage videos, playlists. Edit this. Or do I just delete this playlist? Delete playlist. So I should only have 2 now, and then I've got liked videos at the bottom here. So let's take, we've got playlists, we've got videos, and let's return liked videos. However, I'm gonna have to do liked videos response. Get liked videos. Guessing const liked videos will be liked video response .data .items, because there are going to be multiple, and then I'm going to return liked videos, and then going to go back to my streaming page. Where am I? There's the playlist preview. Playlist video preview. So where's the map here? Yeah, this playlist preview. Playlists preview, format, playlist, videos. Where am I doing the sort? Where am I using this? Playlist. Yeah, I don't need the reordered playlist here, right? Because I'm finding this, I'm filtering it, and then I'm concatenating. Thumbnail. I think I can just return playlists here. Because I no longer need to format it. Let's see, you're going to render something? You do. So I've got the latest video, I've got AJAMES.DEV, I've got Epic React, and then nothing else. So that is good at the moment, because we've removed that liked videos playlist from the code. So here's the video preview, here's the playlist preview, and I'm adding a divider at the bottom. I want this. No, I don't, because there are multiple playlists. Grabbing the videos. Whereas this is a specific playlist that I've grabbed. Okay, this isn't gonna... Do I have liked videos here at the moment? I don't. Playlist preview. Need a liked videos preview. Liked videos. Some formatting them. Liked videos, and then we'll put the liked videos in here. Let's go to channel info. What are we doing here? So we're only returning what we need here. I should actually just be able to format the playlist, right? Because it's an individual playlist. So I should just be able to say format this playlist liked video. Ooh, you're not. Content details. Format playlist videos. Did that. And then returned this. Liked videos preview. Can work on types later. Liked videos preview. Is this an array? Oh, this is any at the moment because I've not typed it. Playlist videos preview. Right, time for you to go down. Up. Format. Playlist video. Playlists preview. Playlist videos preview. Format playlist videos. Playlist item. It's an array of arrays of playlist items, so I could just pass an array through here. Playlist videos preview. What is that? Playlist videos preview. It's going to give me a record of the ID type. Hello, I'm nearly. I'll be like 10 minutes. Yeah. Okay. Playlist video preview. Let's see what we get back from this. Right. This is going to be completely broken just now because I've added this. And then let's do that. Formatted playlist videos. Utils YouTube TS. Formatted. Ah, okay. What? I've tried to just jump the gun here, right? What am I actually getting back here? Need to. Interestingly, linked videos is an empty array, so that's not a good start. Let's go to this. Playlist LL. And if I go to playlist ID LL, go through OAuth 2. How does that know to get my liked videos? Liked videos. Get it. I'm calling the same thing Google Auth 2 Why are you coming back as nothing? That's probably not good. Liked video response. Google APIs, playlist items. Part is snippet. The playlist ID is LL. Max results of 12, I suppose. Does that make a difference? No. Part snippet, max results 12, playlist ID LL. Playlist items. Part snippet, playlist ID LL, max results 12. On behalf of content owner, I think I need to be a partner for that. Yeah. Yeah, I don't need that. So why find email and private key? That must mean that the way I have authorized myself here is not the same as the authorization that I have here. This is exactly what I need. It's so frustrating. It must be, so I've created a service account. This service account doesn't have any liked videos. My personal account has liked videos. But then it's able to retrieve here's the channel ID for get playlists, right? You can sort of test this because on the list there's a mine boolean. So instead of doing this, if I do mine true, and I'm going to rebuild. And then give me playlists response to. Still in use. Yeah. Text not found. Chat. How can I have my Google service account? I'm trying to ask it. How can I have my Google service account retrieve my liked videos using YouTube data? If it answers this, I'll be very impressed. Okay. Yeah. Go. Is that a permission? I mean, certainly try. Google APIs, YouTube linked videos list. YouTube linked. List. Did I set that main? Where's main true? There we go. Just gonna put that back, and then let's add that as a permission. And then I'm just gonna quickly mute my browser. Google service account. How did I get to? I always get this wrong. Just want my service account. APIs and services, I think, yeah, so I've enabled that. Service accounts, edit the service account. Permissions. It's inherited from this. Oh, it's the fucking delegation, isn't it? Goes to the developer console. Domain wide authority. Fuck's sake. It's inherited from another resource, and oh man, so painful. Domain wide delegation. Domain wide authority. Manage domain wide delegation. Data controls. Love that I'm doing all this and I don't even know if it's going to work. It's the best kind. Sorry for the browser blackout. I just don't want any sensitive info leaking. Billing apps devices. Domain. Manage domains? No. Domain wide delegation. This is so painful because the docs are slightly out of date, so the links don't take me to where I need to go. Manage domain-wide delegation. There we go. Let's just bookmark this. There we go. That is painful. I'm going to edit this, and then I'm going to add this permission to this. Liked videos list. Authorize. Invalid scope. Excellent. YouTube.likedvideos.list as an invalid scope. Ah. Yeah, I have that. Well, I can remove this because read-only scope should be enough. I cancel that and close these browser windows. And then I'm going to re-enable the browser. Mm-hmm. 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 Liked videos.list. Okay, so we'll go to the YouTube API. Search liked videos. Videos list. In we need to pass in such as the part parameter. Okay, get latest video, YouTube liked videos. Yeah, it doesn't exist. YouTube network. That's annoying. Can't believe you bailed on me. Gonna ask it one more time. And the Next.js application using the Google APIs library. The JavaScript Next.js application using the Google APIs library. How can I retrieve my liked YouTube videos using a Google service account? Interesting. Part snippet my rating like. YouTube videos. List. Part snippet. A rating like. Okay, so that gives me it as well. So we'll try YouTube.videos. Overload that's fine. Max results. Is there is a max results, and we're gonna just do my rating like. Utils the response.snippet. I'm trying to do something with, let's just say, what have I borked? What did I bork? Oh. You map it. My goodness. YouTube.videos.list. My rating is a like, the max results of 12. It's giving me nothing back again. Item 0. Let's try yarn at Google Auth Library. We'll try this. And if not, then I'm just going to call that day. Const from. And we've got the key. Here's our client. New Auth 2 client. Let's just call this Google Auth. The key is going to be this. Client email is going to be this. Ooh, I have no idea what the client ID is. That's optional. Nice. Maybe that'll be enough. And not holding out much hope here. Client ID, client secret. Let's try this. See if it authenticates. No access refresh token API. Everything is set. Not happening, I'm afraid. Google service account. Make sure the service account is associated with the correct YouTube channel by going to the YouTube Studio, clicking on the channel name in the top left corner, and then selecting Advanced Settings from the menu. YouTube Studio. Clicking the channel name. Settings. Advanced Settings. Permissions. Hold on. Local env. Local. The thing is, it's probably going to need to accept it, so that won't work. Let's do this. Email access. view everything. Save. Let's see what happens. Still empty. Yeah. Let's see if I can enable this. Go. Sorry to blank this, but I'm just paranoid. APIs and services. YouTube Analytics API. Should be fine. Just have this. Actually, sorry for the blackout. How do I find my service accounts? Here we go. Edit this service account. Domain-wide delegation. Details. Edit this. So it's just scopes. I think because I've enabled that API. Where was that dodgy scope? It's read only. Do the same. Let's see if this now registers as a valid scope. Does not. Cool. Right. Don't hold high hopes for this. Yeah, it's now temporary. It eludes me. Cloud console. Final question. How do I associate my Google service account? Channel name, advanced settings, YouTube Studio. Looking for a service account section here. Channel name. Upload videos, go live. Already been in there. Not like a security option or something. It's just going to take me to the dashboard. Ugh. Customization. Settings. Advanced settings. Oh, I think I was in here, right? Allow viewers to click my content. Manage YouTube account. I think maybe this. Advanced settings. Let's see. Come on, man. YouTube managed a service account. No. Nothing's popping up. Let's quickly just skim this. So I've created that, yeah, that makes sense. 2 minutes. That's true. Yeah, okay, I'll do this next time. Oh well. I'm just gonna do a git stash. And then leave it there. Alright. To recap, what did we do? We formatted the dates, which is pretty handy. Formatted the titles here as well, and we also added a bunch of metadata to the page. So we've got some Twitter specific sharing styles, some Facebook specific ones, and some generic ones. We tried to implement an RSS feed and failed miserably, so we'll try that another day. I was just too tired. And then finally I was trying to retrieve my liked videos for the bottom of this page, but I couldn't get it to authorize. Anyway, you can try that next time. Thanks for watching.